Let us differentiate u partially with respect to x. Then we have del u by del x, and you see we have to differentiate an integration. Whenever you see such type of question, we use Leibniz rule, and here I write the spelling Leibniz, Leibniz rule. According to this rule, I differentiate the integration. You see 1 by 2c, that is constant, so it will remain as it is, and thereafter see here I will write this thing, replacing s by the upper limit. So it will be, I show you, it will be e to the power x plus ct. Okay, and you see a square on it, so here will be a square, and thereafter upper limit will be differentiated with respect to x, so you know that will be 1, and we do after minus, giving a minus sign, we write this thing again, this, but this time replacing s with x minus ct. So here will be e to the power x minus ct. There is a square, so a square here, and this time lower limit will be differentiated, that is x minus ct will be differentiated with respect to x. So here will be 1, here will be 1, and this will be 1 by 2c e to the power x plus ct whole square minus e to the power x minus ct whole square. Okay, so I have differentiated for the first time, and now let us differentiate for the second time. So second time, I mean we differentiate del u by del x with respect to x. So it is very easy, simple, and your class 12 level calculation, and you know that will be this thing. One by 2c, and following the chain rule, this will be x plus ct whole square into 2 x plus ct, and x plus ct will be differentiated with respect to x, and that again will be 1, thereafter minus sign, and after that I write below, and e to the power x minus ct whole square according to the chain rule x minus ct, and here again differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Actually differentiation of x minus ct, and you know ct is treated as constant, so that will be 0. So here we have 1 by c, and inside the bracket you see x plus ct whole square, here will be x plus ct minus e to the power x minus ct whole square into x minus ct. Okay, and here will be the bracket closed. Okay, okay, so we have del square u by del x square. Now we evaluate del u by del t accordingly. Now see, del u by del t. So 1 by 2c is constant, and thereafter I write this one, replacing s first by the upper limit, that is x plus ct, and you see s square there, so x plus ct square, and differentiating the upper limit with respect to t will give us c. Okay, and thereafter minus, again we write this one, but this time s will be replaced by the lower limit. This is the process to use Leibniz rule, and the lower limit will now be differentiated with respect to t, and that will give you minus c. Okay, so a simple calculation will give you 1 by 2 e to the power x plus ct whole square minus, sorry, plus, this will be plus e to the power x minus ct whole square. Okay, fine. Now we differentiate this one with respect to t again. So this time del square u by del t square, and this will be 1 by 2, and here will be x plus ct whole square, and using the chain rule, the next will be x plus 2 into x plus ct, and x plus ct is differentiated with respect to t, that will be give you c. Thereafter minus, again x, this time x minus ct whole square, and here 2 into x minus ct, and x minus ct, differentiation of x minus ct with respect to t will be minus c, bracket closed. And simple calculation will give you c, here will be c, and inside this will be e to the power x plus ct whole square into x plus ct, and thereafter sorry, you see here is plus sign, so here will be plus. Okay, here will be plus, and this plus with this minus will be again a minus sign, so here will be minus, and e to the power x minus ct whole square, and here it will be x minus ct. Okay, fine. If you observe these two, I show you, observe this one and this one. Okay, both are same. So using these two relations, if I write further, then this will be del square u by del t square del square u by del t square will be c into, at the place of this one, at the place of this one I will take this one, and this equals to c into del square u by del x square. One c is already here, and one c will come from here. Okay, so that will be c del square u by del x square, and you see the next step will be del square u by del t square equals to c square del square u by del x square. And you see this thing, I show you inside the bracket. This thing is in A, option A. Okay, so A is the correct option.